Well, we're on our way home again. It's Thursday night, and I'm ready for this.
Bobbing like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger out the window getting fucked off? Liquor, getting loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll it.
Dotty's been watching, and the last video he said, yeah, great, but I'm looking for your screen. Don't like it. So that's the screen that you were watching the other day on the last video. It was up fully. This one is down fully. This is as low as it'll go. And you're probably still looking through it because my camera, I'm well over it, my eyes. But the camera on this helmet is right on the bottom of it, on the chin. Now I'm sat up like proper sat up with my back straight now. Oh, bit of news for y'all. Oggy today, FaceTime me at work. He got pulled by the police. And Oggy's a bad boy, he always speeds to work, well over a ton. But I said, have they got you for speeding? No, it's got off with a slap wrist. It was for his overtaking, not indicating and that, and 2 cop bikes behind him. So they pulled him over, just gave him a little bit of a slap on the wrist, but he said he shook their hand at the end. So yeah, he's got to watch it now. Because if he got caught any other fucking time, he was doing well over a ton on the way to work, or way back as well. It's a bit of a speed freak, our Oggy, so that'll slow him down a bit now. He's had a good run though, the lad. I mean, if I was the copper that pulled him, I probably would have said, right, okay, we'll let you off with a warning, but I want you to take your top off over there and give me a trouble shovel. He would have done it, I know he would have. Would have shut that little belly in tears and said we shouldn't be doing this. Oh, Oggy, you weird you are, mate. Now let's wind this screen up now. It's up fully now. So you'd be moaning now, Dutton, won't you? Because you won't see shit. Yeah, it's a lot better with your screen up. And it's worth it just to not clean your visor all the time. You know what I mean? After every little run I'd want wipe my visor down, get the flies off. But yeah, now, fucking hell, save a bloody fortune on visor spray. Yeah, baby. Oh, what are you doing? You're a blonde woman sticking to the limit. Come on, love. I'm not a copper. Oh, God. Go on, love. 50. You can do it. Put your foot down, burn some fucking fuel in that big Range Rover. You're still 28 mile an hour, love. Fuck off and get going. Or pull your wig off. Oh my God. You are a bitch. Don't know what I have for tea tonight. I've done well lately. Packets of couscous, which Dutty told me about. Oh, you bastard. Packet of couscous and a tin of tuna on top. Mix it in. I've been mixing it in. Oh, it's beautiful, honestly. And not many calories. So I'm going to have to stock up on that shit because I've had my last fucking couscous and tuna today. But yeah, I'm going to have to... The problem with me is when I get home. Like tonight. No, but last night I had a Sunday roast, beautiful. But tonight I'll probably end up having cheese and onion on toast. Do you know what Deb was going to do for tea tonight? Fucking 18 degrees, a fucking chicken stew. Chicken stew. It's too hot for stew, isn't it? Fine in winter, and I do like a stew, but not when it's 18 degrees. Give me a salad or something. Come on, dickhead, look. read the fucking road, bitch. You fucking stupid cow. God, I hate her. Oh my God, what are you doing, cunt? You shouldn't be on the road. Oh, you fucking idiot, mate. Oh, come on, love, for fuck's sake. She's sticking to every fucking limit going. Fuck me. 25 mile an hour on a 30. You fucking knobber. You dirty blonde knobber. Oh, your fucking engine blows up, you cunt. You might think it's bitter of me slagging this bitch off like this, but it's not. She's shortening my life, maybe gonna make me have an heart attack because I'm getting that fucking wound up by that stupid bitch. She's in the wrong fucking lane for turn right. You fucking nonsad. Come on, dickheads, get round for fuck's sake. Now it's turning. You lot, another woman, fucking has to stop before she can see what's coming. Come on, dickhead. Don't make me stop. Come on. Fuck's sake, man. What's going on with the world? Can't see shit to go. The knobbers. Just be calm, Ian. Don't let that blonde bitch in that Range Rover wind you up anymore. She's had her turn. She's gone. Forget her. Forget her, mate. I have to go down here, down this first turning if I can get down. Can't see out with that fucking stupid white van. Carry on going, dickhead. Go on, carry on going. Yeah, car's coming. See a bit here though. Oh, fuck me, it's a good job I didn't go then. Look at these cunts coming up here. Would have probably fucking hit them. Look at them, dickers. Biggers, dickers. I'm feeling lucky now though. Biggers, dickers. Hey, there's a balloon in the sky in front. Can you see it? I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera. I think I'd like to go up in one of them. Not sure. Biggers, dickers. Where are you, Blooney? Lost you now, mate, Anna. Run, Tubbs. Cruel bastards around, there really is in this world. Right, I'm home, so I'm going to turn you off now. Until the next time. Bonjala, little freakers. See ya. Bye bye now. Okay now. I'll see ya.